Boy, these roll-out trays are great for a pantry because you can see everything you have in the pantry. That's the way it should be. Now, with all the moving parts that you have in any kitchen, there's bound to be a few adjustments that are needed from time to time. And if you have concealed hinges like this, you may have to tweak them a little bit. Now, in this kitchen, everything's been adjusted, but if you have concealed hinges and need to get them working a little bit better, this screw, by just loosening it, you're able to move the hinge up or down. Then, by adjusting the other screw, moves the hinge in or out. That way you can be sure that everything is aligned and it looks right and works the way it should. Hey, here's another great feature. It's called a soft action feature that is basically a little piston here right at the top of the frame. You have just one screw is all it takes to install these. You could actually install these on your existing kitchen cabinets. Then just one adjustment screw right on the bottom, just the amount of force that you need so that you can close the door and it'll close nice and quiet. That means a nice quiet kitchen.